But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing.
We're believing perfection. When I was young, I completely believed being perfect. No, not bragging, sweating, reading, flattering, drinking, slurping, burping, and catering aloud. Being stay present. Breathing gently, stepping lightly, smile brightly, nod lightly, and you should never show up when you feel inside. We'll act kind, courteous, generous, joyful, sincere, and polite, and you should not show your flaws. I was convinced with the people saying that only love always is before, and now I should see you. Ladies, we have minds, we have souls, but we have hearts. We've got ambitions, and we've got talents, as well as beauty. So now, if you tell me to speak like a lady, I will speak like a lady. With conviction, diction, direction, woman with a vision, and face with direction. And she speaks, and the world listens. If you tell me to sit like a lady, I will act like a lady.
This is not the moment of truth.
One.
Our baby talent 2000 is running the lead.
One.
This is Honorable Citizen and also the captain of our winner.
One.
Baby talent 2000 is running the lead. Respective number. Ladies and gentlemen,